Good morning, my little chickadees. It's getting hot here. I think it's going to be in the 90s in a few days. I'm doing my best to tidy up. Pretty sure this has more to do with YouTube videos than it does me coming outside. I want to set up irrigation to the 3 citrus trees, but I am ambivalent. They're not doing well. This one is, and I think it's an orange. The Meyer lemon isn't doing well. And I want to set up irrigation to the city pickers, and I think I can do it. All I would need to do, I have the tube already, is run a line in there with an emitter and just ensure that it gets enough water. My irrigation to this side goes off, and I apologize. I am out of room. What's it doing? 10 minutes every 24 hours. That's actually not enough. I'll need to bump that up to 20. I should do that right now. I will. Right now it was just watering the 2 honeysuckles. Yep. So hang out with me while I do that. I do have my little tripod set up here. It is hot, and I've got to figure out how to keep the camera out of the sun. I know that people that have been gardening for a long time and have channels have got it figured out, but I do not. Again, I'm very, very ambivalent about putting irrigation to these. They already have irrigation tubes to them. 2 do. I don't know why one's missing, but I'm just not sure if I'm keeping them. However, we are going to have a bit of a breeze today. However, if not these, then I will plant something else in this area or put other containers here. So just as well I do that. Let me go get my cat. I'm going to go ahead and put shut-off valves on each one of these so that if I find one is getting overwatered, which they do sometimes, I can cut that down. This is the tubing I'm going to use. That's a good one. I'll do that 3 times for 3 pots. I'll set up my connectors already. These are fishing tackle boxes. These are the emitters that I was talking about as far as putting inside the city pickers and seeing what happens. One in each. If you're doing a lot of this, setting up your yard for the first time, I recommend some sort of plier or glove, because just doing a lot is really, really hard on the fingers. 1 or 2 is okay, but I do tend to get cracks and dry skin, especially from doing this a lot, but I also just have dry skin. Found my pliers I misplaced, and I will poke a hole in the tubing and use this to punch it in, to force it in, if that makes any sense. Let's see if I can show you one of them. It's a little hard to get in here, but I'm gonna push that tube in through here quick. I'm gonna take a small length of tube for my cutoff valve, something very small. And then I'm going to run that into this. The emitters are already set up in here. I didn't need this extra piece for this one here, right here then. Okay, right. And he is officially set up for water. I'll rotate this back to the back just for convenience. I'll let them monitor his water. You could probably use some mulch on the top too. It's hard to say. Let's see what I can do here. I'm gonna eat this. It's like candy.